told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
So guys, this is a catfish, so I want to dry it myself, so I asked my husband to buy the carton come for me. Even this thing when I want to dry and never come, that pan. Now to bring fish in Nigeria is so difficult, so I want to be drying it myself. So I'll take you guys along. When I'm drying the fish, I'll record it for you guys to see how I dry my catfish, into a smoked fish. In today's video, I am going to be drying this catfish, so I want to turn it into a smoked dry fish, So guys, I have washed this fish that you're seeing here. So now the next thing that I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to remove this oil fast, because bringing fish now in Nigeria is so difficult. So this is the stick that I'm going to be using, I want to start folding it now. Sometimes to fold it is very hard, So you have to use it to pass here. So this is it. This is perfect. This is not my feed though, so that's why I am finding it difficult. Oh, this one won't work. How did I even do that? I bet. Ooh. So I'm going to put in it here. I'll first use this hair fryer before I'll transfer it to this griller, So let's see how many it will take. So I think three is okay. So I want to first dry this one a bit before I'll take it. I'll show you guys everything, so stay tuned. So I put it in 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, before I'll come to check on it. So stay tuned, just put it here. So let's go set fire. So guys, I'm in my balcony now, so I want to put charcoal here so that I can use this one to also dry it later, you know. So so guys, let's check on this because I don't want to use this one to dry it till the end. So this one is almost ready, so I'm going to be transferring it to the one in the fire now because this one is more, is faster, you know. Fire have to continue for where this one stops, so this is it. So I want to continue with fire now with yes, fire. Let's go. So guys, we want to transfer this one into this place. So if this one not dry, if this one is not, it's not going to be faster, so I am going to still remove this one so that I will put this one because this one is almost ready. Then I will return this one back to hair fryer, so that one is very fast. So Christopher, hold it like this. That thing you are seeing there is a label, so I want to blend it. Oh yeah, Christopher, hold it like this. So we have to first remove this one. It's almost ready, you know. So very well. This one.
Yes.